Imagine a creature that has 3 hearts, a blue blood, a brain not only in its head, and the ability to change color in a second. It sounds like an alien description. But it's not from another planet. It's an octopus. Today on Why, we're going to explore why scientists often call octopuses the most alien creatures on Earth. An octopus really has 3 hearts to pump blood through the gills, and 1 pumps it through the rest of the body. But the strangest part, its blood is blue. Why? Because instead of iron, like humans have, octopuses use copper in their blood. This helps them survive in cold, deep water. Already unusual, but it gets even stranger. An octopus has around 500 million neurons. That's close to the number in a dog. But here's the surprising part, more than half of those neurons are located in its arms. Each arm can move independently to explore objects and make simple decisions. Sometimes it feels like an octopus doesn't have 1 brain, but 9. This is a completely different type of intelligence. Not like humans. Not even like other mammals. Octopuses can change their color, the texture of their skin, the shape of their body, and they can do it in a fraction of a second. They don't just hide. They literally become a rock, coral, or sand. Some species can even imitate other animals, like venomous sea snakes or dangerous fish. This isn't just camouflage. It's an advanced survival strategy. In experiments, octopuses have opened jars, remembered shapes, solved puzzles, recognized individual humans. Some even appear to play. There are cases where octopuses squirted water at lights they didn't like. They observe. They analyze. They learn. And here's the paradox. Despite their intelligence, octopuses live alone. They don't form groups. They don't build families. They don't teach their young. After laying eggs, the female stops eating and soon dies. It's a completely different evolutionary path. Mammals evolved intelligence through social interaction. Octopuses evolved through adaptation. They appeared on Earth hundreds of millions of years ago and evolved separately from vertebrates. This means their intelligence developed along a different branch of life. In a way, they represent an alternative version of consciousness. That's why some scientists jokingly say, if there are aliens on Earth, they're octopuses. Octopuses didn't come from space, but they remind us that intelligence can take many forms. You don't need a skeleton. You don't need a society. You don't even need to look like us. Sometimes the strangest creatures are the most extraordinary. This was why. If you want to understand animals and the world more deeply, subscribe.